Hi, my name is Trina Arce, and I'm a nurse practitioner at Bauman Medical, as well as the Director of Clinical Operations. Today I'm going to take you behind the scenes so you can see exactly what you can expect from your PRP procedure here at Bauman Medical. So let me walk you through what you're going to experience when you arrive at Bauman Medical for your PRP procedure. First, you'll be greeted by our welcoming staff. After you're escorted to the clinical area, we'll take a small sample of blood. From there, you'll go for a scalp wash and shampoo. Next, we'll move over to the photo studio so we can take some photos to track your results over time. Either Dr. Bauman or myself will mark the area that we're going to treat with the PRP procedure. We can treat an area about the size of a small dinner plate. While you're doing this, a technician is hard at work preparing your PRP for injection. At Bauman Medical, we use a dual spin centrifuge technology to ensure that we have the highest quality platelets and highest quality concentration of platelets. Dr. Bauman has found that the sweet spot for PRP is a platelet concentration of 1.5 million platelets per microliter. Once your PRP is prepared, we test it with a Coulter counter to ensure that we've achieved that. We'll start by offering you some Pronox or laughing gas to make the anesthesia application comfortable. We'll use a ring block to numb your scalp, and then you're ready for your injections. If you're doing a standalone PRP procedure, the last step is some light microneedling. This is done to activate the PRP, causing the release of cytokines and powerful growth factors.
So we're live here. I am in Boca Raton with the esteemed Dr. Alan Bauman, and I'm having my PRP treatment done. And I can honestly tell you that the last hour has been amazing, so comfortable, painless so far. The scalp massage was great, and the numbing was absolutely painless.
If you've opted to have PDO grow done with your PRP procedure, the PDO threads will be placed at this time. PDO stands for polydioxanone. Polydioxanone threads have been used in cardiac surgery for decades. The tiny microfilaments of PDO thread are placed superficially beneath the skin in the same area that we treated with the PRP. Why do we do this? In order for your body to dissolve or digest the thread, it causes the release of more growth factors and stimulates more collagen, making the PRP about 30% more powerful when done with PDO Grow. At this point, your procedure is complete. We clean the markings off your scalp, go over some discharge instructions, offer you a laser treatment, and you're ready to go about an hour after you arrive. If you'd like to learn more about PRP at Bauman Medical or to schedule an appointment, click the link below.